Hello, in this video, we will introduce augmented assignment operators. The arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, fruit division, integer division, remainder, and exponent can be combined with the assignment operator to form augmented assignment operator. For example, you have this count plus 1 assigned to count. It can be simplified using assignment operator, addition assignment. So this is add 1 to count. So this is augmented assignment operator for addition. All of this operators have the corresponding augmented assignment operator. So this is addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment. Now let's look at this multiplication assignment. This is multiply 8 with I. So this is the result. This is the remainder. This is the I remainder 8. The result is assigned to I. The augmented assignment operator is performed last after all the other operators in the expression are evaluated. So I have this multiplication, then addition, and the result is now performed with x. X divided by the result is assigned to x. So please note that there is no space in the augmented assignment operator. So you have to write plus equal. There should be no space separating those two symbols. Let's look at this freestyle exercise. Suppose x is 1. What is x after add 1 to x? So this is going to be 2. Now let's look at this. What is the value of I printed? So 1 is assigned to I and then assigned to j. So this ij, they are 1. Here we have this j plus, here j plus 5, it's 1 plus 5. 1 times 5, and it's 5. Plus j is 1, so this is 6. 6 is add to I is 1, so now I becomes 7. So that is the result, 7. That is all for this section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.